In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to grow Halloween pumpkins. Start off filling a pot with general purpose compost and sowing the seeds an inch deep on the sides to avoid rotting. Cover and keep moist. After around 5 weeks, thin out the weaker plant and you're ready to plant out. Dig a deep hole and fill it with well-rotted manure or compost. Insert a tube into the hole, which will be used for watering. Pop the pumpkin plant in and mulch with a good layer of well-rotted manure. Water twice a week and also give it 1 feed of liquid seaweed. If you want 1 large pumpkin, snap off developing pumpkins, leaving only 1. Once it's grown, switch to a potassium-based fertiliser which will encourage fruit growth. Placing sand or some wood underneath your pumpkin will prevent it from rotting. Then, watch them grow. Once it's ready to harvest, cut the stalk, leaving at least 1 inch of growth. And if you want a more detailed video of how to grow pumpkins, please click here.